Activision Blizzard Incorporated is an American video game holding company based in Santa Monica, California. The company was founded in July 2008 through the merger of Activision Incorporated and Vivendi Games. The company is traded on the NASDAQ stock exchange under the ticker symbol ATVI and since 2015 has been one of the stocks that make up the S&P 500. Activision Blizzard currently includes 5 business units: Activision Publishing, Blizzard Entertainment, King, Major League Gaming, and Activision Blizzard Studios. The company owns and operates additional studios under an independent studios model under Activision Publishing, including Treyarch, Infinity Ward, High Moon Studios, and Toys for Bob. Among major intellectual properties produced by Activision Blizzard are Call of Duty, Crash Bandicoot, Guitar Hero, Tony Hawk's, Spyro Skylanders, World of Warcraft, StarCraft, Diablo, Hearthstone, Heroes of the Storm, Overwatch, and Candy Crush Saga. Activision Blizzard's titles have broken a number of release records. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.